asunto-osakeyhtiöturva.
Yeah. I don't know just later, but should have been original here.
Yeah.
Today on the 22nd of July 2024, we have Pääskylänrinne slab brick and porch staircase A, and we have the staircase B as well. It was built in 1938 by ASEA and prized by Kone with ABS fixtures in 1982. Timber S400997. That sign is beautiful. That should have been created originally.
Yeah.
Because it was a rare. It was a rare. It was insert and insert is Helsinki sportschools in Finland. We can still take tours here.
Yeah.
We did the rides also in the staircase B.
Yeah.
But I don't think there's a staircase C or
Yeah. Yeah.
probably not.
Inspected by Kone and maintained by Kone.
The first one has a very beautiful door.
Yeah.
And I like the sunset as well here.
Same here.
I would have preferred the complete original version.
Yeah. That's